The Northrop Grumman MQ-4C Triton is an American high-altitude long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed for and flown by the United States Navy as a surveillance aircraft. Together with its associated ground control station, it is an unmanned aircraft system. Developed under the Broad Area Maritime Surveillance Program, the Triton is intended to provide real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions over vast ocean and coastal regions, continuous maritime surveillance, conduct search and rescue missions, and to complement the Boeing P-8 Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft. Triton builds on elements of the RQ-4 Global Hawk. Changes include reinforcements to the airframe and wing, de-icing systems, and lightning protection systems. These allow the aircraft to descend through cloud layers to gain a closer view of ships and other targets at sea. The sensor suites help track ships by gathering their speed, location, and classification. The MQ-4C system development and demonstration aircraft was delivered in 2012, and the MQ-4C was expected to be operational by late 2015 with a total of 67 aircraft to be procured. Initial operational capability, IOC, for the MQ-4C was achieved in 2018 with full operating capability planned in 2023. The MQ-4C can remain aloft more than 30 hours at 17,000 meters at speeds of up to 330 knots or 610 kilometers per hour. Northrop said it was able to shuttle information between its Triton and simulated battlefield assets, including an F-35 and E-2D Advanced Hawkeye, destroyers and carrier strike groups. The connectivity was made possible via a gateway that hooked into the drone's onboard radar and advanced computing. To stay ahead of China and Russia, the U.S. military is attempting to dissolve the membranes that have long compartmentalized the services, their databases, and their weapons. The multi-billion-dollar push, referred to as Combined Joint All-Domain Command and Control, envisions any sensor feeding any shooter the data he or she needs, meaning responses to foreign aggression will likely be quicker, more efficient, and less constrained by geography.